Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important entry-level job role in logistics and supply chain operations: warehouse worker. Warehouses are an important part of almost every supply chain. Products and materials need to be received, checked, stored, picked, packed, and dispatched properly. Warehouse workers play an important role in completing these day-to-day activities. But what exactly does a warehouse worker do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a warehouse worker. A warehouse worker is an employee who performs various physical and operational activities involved in receiving, storing, handling, picking, packing, and dispatching goods in a warehouse. In simple words, a warehouse worker helps ensure that products and materials are handled correctly and moved efficiently through the warehouse. The exact responsibilities depend on the type and size of the warehouse. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a warehouse worker. One of the main responsibilities is receiving goods. When products or materials arrive at the warehouse, workers may help unload them, check quantities, inspect basic conditions, and move them to the appropriate storage area. Another important responsibility is storing goods. Warehouse workers place products in designated locations according to warehouse procedures. Proper storage helps make products easier to locate and reduces the risk of damage or loss. Another major responsibility is order picking. When an order is received, the warehouse worker may locate the required products and collect the correct quantities from their storage locations. Another important duty is packing. Workers may pack products safely and prepare them for dispatch according to company procedures. Proper packing helps protect products during transportation. Loading and unloading can also be an important part of warehouse work. Workers may assist in loading products onto delivery vehicles and unloading incoming shipments. The exact physical requirements depend on the warehouse and the type of goods being handled. Another responsibility is inventory support. Warehouse workers may assist with stock counts, barcode scanning, labeling, and checking product quantities. They may report differences between physical stock and inventory records to their supervisor. Another important duty is maintaining warehouse cleanliness and organization. Keeping work areas, storage locations, pathways, and equipment organized can improve efficiency and workplace safety. Now let's discuss equipment and safety. Some warehouses use equipment such as pallet trucks, hand trucks, scanners, conveyors, or forklifts. Workers should use equipment only when they are properly trained and authorized to do so. Safety procedures are extremely important in warehouse operations. Workers should follow company safety rules, use required protective equipment, and handle products and equipment carefully. Now let's discuss the daily work of a warehouse worker. A typical day may begin with receiving work instructions from a supervisor. The worker may then unload incoming goods, check products, move inventory, pick orders, pack products, label shipments, or assist with dispatch activities. During the day, they may scan products, update stock information, organize storage areas, and report damaged or missing items. At the end of a shift, they may help clean and organize the work area and ensure that assigned tasks are completed. The daily routine can vary depending on the warehouse. Now, let's talk about the skills required to become a warehouse worker. The first important skill is attention to detail. Workers need to identify the correct products, quantities, labels, and storage locations. Another important skill is physical coordination. Warehouse work may involve standing, walking, lifting, carrying, pushing, or moving materials, depending on the job. The physical requirements vary by employer and should be clearly stated in the job description. Time management is also important because warehouses often operate according to receiving, picking, packing, and dispatch schedules. Another useful skill is teamwork. Warehouse workers usually work as part of a team and need to coordinate with supervisors and colleagues. Basic computer and scanner skills can also be useful in modern warehouses. Many warehouses use barcode scanners, inventory systems, handheld devices, and digital records. Another important skill is following instructions. Warehouse processes often involve specific procedures for storage, picking, packing, safety, and inventory control. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good warehouse worker. A good warehouse worker should be responsible, punctual, disciplined, hardworking, reliable, attentive, adaptable, and safety conscious. They should be willing to work as part of a team and follow workplace procedures. Another important quality is carefulness. Incorrect picking, poor packing, or improper handling can result in damaged goods, inventory errors, or delayed orders. A good warehouse worker should therefore perform tasks carefully and report problems promptly. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the company and type of warehouse. Many entry-level warehouse worker positions may accept candidates with a basic school education, 10th or 12th qualification, diploma, or equivalent experience, depending on the employer. Some positions may require previous warehouse experience. For jobs involving specialized equipment, employers may require specific training, certification, or authorization. Freshers can find entry-level warehouse opportunities in many industries. Now let's look at some common industries where warehouse workers work. Warehouse workers can work in e-commerce, retail, manufacturing, logistics, pharmaceuticals, automotive, consumer goods, food distribution, electronics, and many other industries. The type of products and warehouse processes can vary significantly. For example, an e-commerce warehouse may involve a high volume of order picking and packing. A manufacturing warehouse may handle raw materials, components, and finished products. A retail distribution warehouse may focus on storing and dispatching products to stores or customers. Now, let's discuss the career path of a warehouse worker. A warehouse worker can gain experience and develop skills in inventory management, warehouse systems, equipment operation, and team coordination. With experience, they may progress into positions such as senior warehouse worker, warehouse assistant, inventory assistant, warehouse coordinator, warehouse supervisor, or warehouse manager, depending on their qualifications and experience. Learning warehouse management systems, inventory processes, safety procedures, and leadership skills can support career growth. Before applying for a warehouse worker position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to shift timings, physical requirements, working conditions, overtime policies, safety requirements, equipment responsibilities, and qualification requirements. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A warehouse worker performs essential warehouse activities such as receiving goods, unloading, storing products, picking orders, packing, loading, inventory support, labeling, and maintaining warehouse organization. Important skills include attention to detail, teamwork, time management, physical coordination, basic computer skills, and the ability to follow instructions. Important qualities include punctuality, discipline, responsibility, reliability, adaptability, carefulness, and safety awareness. For people interested in logistics, supply chain, warehouse operations, and entry-level jobs, a warehouse worker position can be a useful starting point for building practical work experience. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the meaning, job description, roles, responsibilities, daily duties, skills, and qualities of a warehouse worker. If you found this podcast useful, keep following the channel for more simple explanations of job roles, career opportunities, interview preparation, logistics, supply chain, and business topics. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.